Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all of you. Okay, so in the last session, we have discussed about the topologies. We have started from the bus topology, ring topology, and then hybrid topology. And then after we have started the transmission media, in which we have discussed the whole part of the guided media, right? Now, we'll start with the unguided media. As I have said that unguided media. So from the name itself, I can say the unguided, that means which is also called as an unbounded. Okay, I can see only 18 students have joined. We'll wait for 1 minute, then we'll start the session. Otherwise, they will miss. They might be taking lunch. Okay, so we'll start. Okay, so in the guided, we have seen the different classification, right? Guided media, in which we call the guided media as a bounded media, or we can say the wired media, right? In which we have seen the three categories, that is twisted pair cables, coaxial cables, and fiber optic cables, right? Now we'll start with the unguided media, which is also called as a unbounded media, or we can say a wireless media, right? So one thing, the first statement that we can say about the unguided or unbounded media, that it does not require any physical medium to transmit the data from one end to the another end. The first statement that we can give about the unguided media, right? So we can say the main feature of the unguided media, the main characteristic that we can say, if we talk in terms of a security, then we can say it is less secure, because whatever the transmission that take place using the unguided media, that is done through the air. So we can say air is the medium while transmitting the data from one end to the another end, right? So we can say there are high chances of a packet loss or the data loss, right? So we can say it is also less secure compared to the guided media, right? So let's see the PPT. Yes. So the unguided media, we can say the unguided transmission transmits the electromagnetic waves without any physical medium. Therefore, it is known as a wireless transmission, right? Or unbounded transmission. That point is not mentioned, but you can note it, right? In the unguided media, as I've said, the air is the medium through which the electromagnetic energy can flow easily. Now this an unguided, also there are three categories. We can say it is classified into three types, that is radio waves, microwaves, and infrared waves. So first of all, let's discuss about the radio waves. So radio waves, we can say that uh, radio waves are the electromagnetic waves only, right, that are transmitted in all the directions of this free space. So we can say it's omnidirectional. So whatever the transmitting antenna, or we can say the sending antenna, transmit any signal from their end, so it will be transmitted to all the directions, to all the free space, right? So we can say it's a omnidirectional, and the signals are propagated in all the direction. That's why it is called as an omnidirectional. One more thing that we can say, that it penetrates the wall as well, right? So we can say that if the signal is transmitting by using the radio waves, then it can penetrate the walls, we can say through the buildings, right? So we can say the one characteristic of the radio waves, that is it can penetrate the wall, right? So as it is written here, in case of the radio waves, the sending and the receiving antenna are not aligned, because the waves are omnidirectional. So they are not aligned. So that's why the wave sent by the sending antenna can be received by any receiving antenna, as the waves are propagated in all the directions. Right, as it is written that waves, the signals are propagated in all the direction. So any receiving antenna can receive that wave, right? So this is the characteristics of the radio waves. An example of the radio wave which is given here, that is an FM radio, right? As we all know that if any station transmits the signal, right, so that is received by many other stations which are there. So we can say the signals or the waves are propagated in all the direction. That is the characteristics of the radio waves, right? If we see about the frequency range, then we can say the frequency range is 3 kilohertz to 1 gigahertz, right? This is the frequency range, as it is not written over here, but you can note in your book. The frequency range of the radio waves ranges from 3 kilohertz to 1 gigahertz, right? Now there are certain applications and advantages that radio waves is useful for multicasting. That is, there is one sender and there are many receivers. That means we can say one to many, right? That is, the sending antenna is means the sending antenna is transmitting the wave, and there are many receiving antenna which is receiving the waves or the signals, right? So we can say it is generally used for multicasting. The next is an FM radio, television, codeless phones are the examples of the radio waves. So these are the applications that we can see about the radio waves. Next is we can say the advantage. Now, why we can say what kind of advantage that we can get by using the radio waves. So we can say it's mainly used for the wide area network and for the mobile cellular phones it is used, right? And it covers the larger area. And the another thing that I've said that it can penetrate the walls, or we can say that it penetrates through the buildings as well, right? So this we can consider as one of the advantage of the radio waves. Next thing is radio transmission provides the higher transmission rates. If I say the higher transmission rate, then one thing is clear that there is a higher bandwidth. If there is a higher bandwidth, definitely there will be a higher transmission rate, right? And it gives an effective output, or we can say the outcome. Next is the second unguided media, the second type of unguided media, that is microwave. So in the microwave, we can say it is a line of sight transmission, right? Or we can say the straight line, the transmission takes place through a straight line. That means the transmitting and receiving antennas need to be aligned correctly. Then and then only if the sending antenna is sending some signal, then if it is aligned properly, correctly, then and then only the receiving antenna can receive the signal, right? So it is very important in the microwaves that the sending and the receiving antennas are to be needs to be aligned properly with each other. So there are two types of the microwave transmission, that is the terrestrial microwave transmission and the satellite microwave transmission. So if I say that the distance which is covered through the signal by using the microwave, that is a microwave, so we can say that are directly proportional to the antenna's height. So if I say the sending antenna has some fixed height, and if the receiving antenna has some fixed height, and if they are properly aligned, then the data transmission between the sending and the receiving antenna can easily transmit that data if they are have proper alignment and if they are on a certain heights, right? So terrestrial microwave transmission is a technology that transmits the focused beam of radio signal from one ground based microwave transmission antenna to the another. The frequency range it is given here, that is 1 gigahertz to 1000 gigahertz. So you can imagine that this is the range, right? So how much the distance will be there, at how much distance they can transmit the data, or we can say transmit the signal from one end to the another end, right? Microwave are unidirectional, as the sending and the receiving antenna is to be aligned. That is, the waves sent by the sending antenna are narrowly focused, right? The we can say the beam, the lights, we can say the waves that is transmitted from the sending antenna and to the receiving antenna, they are narrowly focused and they are properly aligned. So whatever the signal that transmits from the one antenna to the another antenna, they are aligned in such a way that the signal sent by the sending antenna, that is correctly received at the receiving antenna only. The waves cannot propagate to all the directional like a radio waves, right? So they needs to be aligned, they needs to be narrowly focused, so that the sending and the receiving antenna can communicate with each other, right? So these are the characteristics of the terrestrial microwave transmission. So if I say about the characteristics, so one thing that I can say that frequency range, as I have said ki frequency range usme itni rahegi, right? Then the bandwidth, if I say about the bandwidth is higher because it requires the it covers the very long distance, right? So we can say the bandwidth is higher, as the transmission speed is higher, and
हेलो 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 हेलो।
हाँ हाँ, बोल बोल।
अबे मैम कहाँ गई?
पता नहीं, शायद नेटवर्क इशू
मैम
आया
के
होगा।
साथ नेट नहीं चल रहा मैम। ऐसा भी हो सकता है मैम वहां पे पढ़ा रहे हो और मैम को पता ना हो कि वो लेफ्ट हो गए।
ओ भाई नशे।
अरे वैसे थोड़ी ना हो सकता है, स्क्रीन ही बंद हो जाएगी ना अगर लीव हो गया तो।
ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है ब्रो।
ट्राई कर
अरे
लीव
मैम
करके।
स्क्रीन में होते हैं ना।
दर्शन
ओ
मुठिया और
हाँ हाँ,
आए तब
हाँ।
पूछ लेना। भाई ये आए तब क्या होता है भाई? तमीज नहीं है क्या? स्क्रीनशॉट लो, मैम को भेजेंगे।
अरे ये वैसे ही पीडीएफ में जाएगा चैट वाला।
रुको भाई, स्क्रीनशॉट लेने आए तब पूछ लेना। ये क्या
अबे ये
तमीज
रिकॉर्ड
नहीं
हो रहा हो
है?
नहीं हो रहा हो, कोई चेक नहीं करता रिकॉर्डिंग, पता है।
अरे
कौन
रिकॉर्ड
रिकॉर्डिंग से?
नहीं, अरे ये जो चैट का अपन जो भी बात करते हैं ना वो भी रिकॉर्डिंग के साथ, उसका अलग नहीं देख, अटैचमेंट लिखा है ना नीचे।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
उसका
चैट का भी
अटैचमेंट्स
करना
में देख,
होता
उसका भी गूगल डॉक बनेगा चैट वाले का।
हाँ
है।
तो फिर
चेक
ये
कौन करता है?
अबे
कोई चेक नहीं
स्क्रीनशॉट
करता।
भी रखे हैं ना, स्क्रीनशॉट भी रखे हैं प्रूफ के लिए यार, लगाएंगे इनके। आए तब पूछ लेना। साला गर्लफ्रेंड से बात कर रहे
हैवी आदमी हो गया है, करता नहीं।
हैं। और राज कब आ रहा है कॉलेज?
खुलेगा तब आएंगे।
खुल
तू
गया?
तू निकल गया
मैं तो शायद खुलने के बाद भी
कैसे?
ना आ पाऊँ।
खुल गया, खुल गया भाई।
सीनियर्स के लिए ओपन हुआ, अभी हम लोग के लिए नहीं।
हम्म।
अरे चलो यार, क्या दिक्कत आ रही है ब्रो?
वही
तू चल रहा
प्रांजल।
है?
हाँ भाई
चल रहा है तो बोल।
मैं
हाँ,
चल
क्या
रहा हूँ भाई। मैं चल रहा हूँ ये फर्स्ट वीक में।
कब जा रहा है?
तो निकलूंगा 12 12 को निकल जाऊंगा।
सब सही है।
तू भी
फ्लाइट से
चलेगा?
जा रहा है फिर ट्रेन से?
नहीं भाई, जनरल बोगी।
वो
अभी मैं फ्लाइट ढूंढ रहा था, कुछ ऐसे डायरेक्ट मिल ही नहीं रही।
भाई मेरे को वो लगेज वाले में मिला भाई जगह, लगेज के साथ चला जाऊँ, 50 रुपये किराया लगेगा भाई, बढ़िया।
साले ट्रेन में घुसते भी नहीं मिलेगा।
काहे नहीं घुसने मिलेगा बे?
जाओ बिना टिकट जाओ तुम वहां प्लेटफॉर्म पे।
अबे
प्रांजल को
चले
ट्रेन
जाएंगे।
में एंट्री फ्री है।
काहे?
अरे तो अपना नेटवर्क ठीक कर ले यार।
सही
सुन
आवाज तो
लिया
आ रही है
सुन
बे।
लिया। क्या सुनाई दिया ना क्लियर मैंने क्या बोला?
हम्म।
प्रांशुल को जरूरत है।
हाँ दर्शन, तू भी बोल रहा है?
दर्शन उठियार, उठियार।
हाँ बे बोलो ना।
क्या चल रहा है गॉब्लिन?
अबे रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही इसलिए मैं अभी तक नहीं बोल रहा था, मैं कब बोल
भाई
रहे
ओ
थे।
मैम कहाँ
भाई,
गायब हो गई भाई? 5 मिनट हो गया।
ज्यादा टाइम हो गया।
मैसेज कर
हो
क्या।
गया सब।
कुछ 10 या 11 मिनट
अरे
से मैं
मेरे को बता, मैं मैसेज करता
नंबर नहीं है
तो
टेलीग्राम
करना।
पे पड़ेगा।
हूँ। टेलीग्राम तो गलत सीन है बे।
वही।
भाई
नंबर हो तो कॉल करो ना मैम को।
कर कर।
नंबर हो तो बोला ना, मेरे पास नहीं है ना, मैं कर देता।
मेरे को दो, मैं कॉल कर रहा हूँ।
भाई नंबर ही नहीं है।
टेलीग्राम पे कॉल कर देना, टेलीग्राम पे होगा।
होता है क्या?
वहां पे भाई इसने इतना डाउनलोड कर रखा है, हैंग मारता है फोन उसका।
ये मैं
लास्ट
करता
सी
हूँ,
ऑन
मैसेज
सैटरडे।
करूँ कॉल?
क्या हुआ राज?
मैम को मैसेज करूँ कॉल करूँ?
भाई मैम का टेलीग्राम पे लास्ट सीन है सैटरडे का।
भाई इंस्टाग्राम पे कॉल करना।
तुझे सब इंस्टाग्राम पे मिल जाते क्या?
हाँ बे, कॉल हो
हम
जाएगी
नहीं
माइक
होते।
वो।
पबजी मैसेज कर
कैश के
देते
पास
क्या?
सब होता है।
पबजी में है क्या मैम? AWM दे देंगे।
नेट
मत
ही ऑफ
बताना
बता
रे
रहा
इसको, केस को, है भी तो भी।
मैम का शायद नेटवर्क है मैम, वो कॉलेज के उससे कनेक्ट कर रहे थे ना,
है।
कॉलेज के उससे कनेक्ट करा था मैम ने,
हाँ
शायद
चल
गया
रहा
वो
चलने
पूरा।
दो ना, जब आएंगे तब देखा जाएगा, क्यों कॉल करना तुमको।
हाँ तो ठीक है, हम बात कर रहे हैं, बात तो करो, तुम्हें नहीं
वही
करनी
तो,
क्या है? दर्शन
वही
बनियान
तो
क्या
चल
है?
रहा है, चलने दो।
वही चल रहा है।
Disconnected?
Yes, ma'am. I texted you on Telegram, but your net is off.
Okay, so just call me if it happens like this.
Ma'am, we don't have your number.
Oh shit. Actually, I was teaching continuously and nobody was responding. Just note my number. If such things happen, then please call me immediately.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, what was the last topic? कहाँ से डिस्कनेक्ट हुआ था, कोई बताएगा? नहीं, यहाँ तक तो पढ़ा दिया. Is my screen visible?
No ma'am. Ma'am now visible.
So मैंने यहाँ तक पढ़ाया था. ये सब कहाँ से डिस्कनेक्ट मीन्स कहाँ तक हमने किया था?
मैम इंफ्रारेड स्टार्ट कर रहे थे।
ओके, सो अभी ये स्टार्ट ही हुआ था ना?
हाँ मैम।
कितना टाइम हुआ?
मैम कुछ 12-13 मिनट.
सो ये इसके पहले करवाया है मैंने, ये सब हो गया क्या? कोई बताएगा? Yes, anybody please? So what was the last point? Radio waves के advantages, disadvantages?
जी मैम।
किसी के पास मेरा फोन नंबर नहीं था?
No, ma'am.
ओके, मैंने यहाँ अपना नंबर चैट बॉक्स में लिखा है. अगर कई बार ऐसा होता है कि डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाती हूँ तो देन इमीडिएटली कॉल मी, राइट? या तो मुझे पता होगा तो मैं मैसेज डाल दूंगी ग्रुप में, बट आई वाज नॉट अवेयर कि मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई हूँ. आई जस्ट आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चन दैट whether it's clear, so nobody was replying, so I just come on this screen and I was already disconnected, right? So make sure कि कहीं अगर ऐसा होता है तो आप मुझे डायरेक्टली कांटेक्ट करो या
Okay,
कॉल
ma'am.
ही कर दो मुझे.
ठीक है मैम।
ओके.
मैम नेट नहीं चल रही तो आज रहने देते हैं फिर.
नहीं नहीं नेट चल रही है, पर पता नहीं आज हुआ डिस्कनेक्ट कैसे हो गया, पता नहीं चला. We have still 30 more minutes, so we'll continue. So I'm starting with the radio waves, right? Radio wave से ही start करना है ना?
मैम रेडियो वेव का एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज चल रहा था।
Okay,
applications
okay,
और-
okay. Okay, so starting with this. Okay, so as we have discussed radio waves we can say where the waves are transmitted in all the directions. So that's why it is called as an omnidirectional. Now suppose let's say that if the sending antenna is sending some signal, so there are many, we can say there are many receiving antennas that can receive that signal, right? Because whatever the waves that is propagates by using the radio, that is, we can say, that is transmitted, that is propagated in all the directions, right? So we can say the signals are propagated in all the directions. In case of the radio waves, the sending and the receiving antenna are not aligned. This is the main point of the radio waves, right? The sending and the receiving antenna are not aligned in the radio waves. So the waves sent by the sending antenna can be received by any receiving antenna. As we all know that if they are not aligned, if the sending and the receiving antenna are not aligned, so many receiving antennas can receive that signals, right? So this is the radio waves. The best example of the radio wave that we can give is a FM radio, right? This is the best example of the radio waves. Now, there are some applications and the advantages. So if I say the applications, then we can say it is useful for multicasting, right? Where there is one sender, one transmitting antenna is there, and there are many receivers, right? There are many receiving antennas which receives the signals sent by the sending antenna. So such applications are FM radio, television, codeless phones, that we can say are the examples of the radio wave. Then next is advantages. If I say the advantages,
Ma'am, your
then
sound is breaking. Sorry.
okay, let me check.
Ma'am, it's clear.
Again. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I think it should be clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so advantages, we can say it is mainly used for the wide area network, and for the mobile cellular phones, this type of waves are used. Then it covers the large area, and the main characteristics of the radio waves that it can penetrate the wall, or we can say it can penetrate through building, right? These are, we can say, this is one of the characteristics of the radio waves. Then radio transmission provides the higher transmission rate. Now whenever I say the higher transmission rate, that means it has the higher bandwidth. If it has a higher bandwidth, then and then only we can say it has a higher transmission rate. Now the next type, the second type of the unguided media, that is microwave. So microwave, we can say there are mainly two types of the microwave transmission. That is a terrestrial microwave transmission, and another one is a satellite microwave transmission. So if I say about the terrestrial, so terrestrial microwave transmission generally hota kya hai? One thing that we can say about the microwave transmission, that is, we can say there is some, we can say, line of sight transmission, where the transmitting antenna and the receiving antenna are properly aligned, right? They are properly aligned, and whatever the signal that is transmitted from the transmitting antenna, that is received by the receiving antenna only. No other receiving antenna in the free space can receive that signal, because both antennas, that is transmitting and the receiving antenna, they are already aligned, right? So if there is a proper alignment, if the alignment is correctly with each other, then there will be not any disturbance occurs when they are properly aligned, right? The signal sent by the sending antenna will be received by only the receiving antenna. No other receiving antenna can receive that signal, right? So we can say the distance which is covered through the signal can be directly proportional to the antenna's height, right? Whatever the antenna's height will be, that is the distance which is, we can say, it's a directly proportional to the distance only. And one thing that we can say, there are mainly two types, that is terrestrial and the another one is the satellite. So first let's discuss about the terrestrial. So the terrestrial, if I say, then we can say it's a technology that transmits the focused beam of radio signal from one ground based microwave transmission antenna to another राइट. एंड इफ आई से अबाउट द फ्रीक्वेंसी रेंज, तो इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी रेंज कुछ ज्यादा है क्योंकि ये दो टावर्स है, जो एक ट्रांसमिटिंग एंटेना है और दूसरा जो है वो रिसीविंग एंटेना है, और वो दोनों एक हाइट पे हो गए, दे आर ऑन सच हाइट्स, राइट. सो ऑब्वियसली द फ्रीक्वेंसी रेंज शुड बी हायर, राइट. सो इट इज फ्रॉम 1 GHz to 1000 GHz, right. And one thing that we can say about the microwave, terrestrial microwave, that they are unidirectional, as the sending and the receiving antenna is properly aligned with each other, right. So we can say they are narrowly focused. So whatever the signal that is transmitted from the transmitting antenna, that is narrowly focused to the specific receiving antenna, which is aligned with the transmitting antenna, right. So these are the, we can say, the characteristics of the terrestrial microwave transmission. Now if I say the characteristics, so there are certain characteristics. Now suppose if I say the frequency range, right. So what we can say about the frequency range of the terrestrial microwave transmission? So the first is, we can say, the frequency range, as I have said, that is 1 to 1000, right. Bandwidth, so bandwidth, it supports it's 1 to 10 Mbps. It supports a bandwidth of 1 to 10 Mbps. But if I say about the shorter distance, then it is quite inexpensive, right. It is generally the transmitting and the receiving antenna are aligned properly, right. So it is generally used for the large distance. So if I say about the long distance, it is inexpensive. But if I say about the short distance, then obviously the maintenance cost will be higher and the other cost will be higher if it is a short, right. So it is expensive for short distance. For long distance, it is, we can say, it is somewhat expensive. For the short distance, it is inexpensive. Attenuation, if I say the attenuation, then we can say it means a loss of energy. The meaning of attenuation, that is loss of energy. Now when the attenuation occurs, when there is some kind of a environmental condition, right. If the environmental condition is bad, or we can say sometimes the atmosphere is cloudy or rainy, right. So at that time we can say there is a attenuation, there is a loss of a signal. Now advantages, if I say the advantages, then we can say it is cheaper, but it does not require any kind of a cable. So obviously it is somewhat cheaper. Then land acquisition, free from land acquisition, that means we can say it does not require any kind of a free space to establish the microwave, to transmit the signals through the microwave, right. कोई specific land नहीं चाहिए होगी अगर microwave के through communication करना है. We don't require any specific land, right. So we can say it's a free from land acquisition, right. Then we can say as does not require any land for the installation of cables, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो transmission है, that is a wireless transmission, right. So air is the medium. So whatever the transmission that takes place, that is through the air medium. We don't require any kind of cables to join the antennas, the transmitting antenna and the receiving antenna. So that we can consider as one of the biggest advantage of the unguided media. Then microwave transmission provides an easy communication in the terrains, as the installation of cables in the terrains is quite difficult, right. So there is a, we can say, easy communication takes place in the terrain regions. Then communication over the oceans can be achieved by using the microwave transmission, as we just require only the transmitting and the receiving antenna, and we need to just properly align them, then the communication will be very easy, right. So this is one, we can say, the characteristics of the terrestrial microwave communication. Then if we consider the advantage, so advantage, the first advantage that we can say, that is eavesdropping. अभी यहाँ पे eavesdropping का मतलब क्या है? Suppose if I say that if the communication takes place between the two antenna, that is transmitting antenna and the receiving antenna, right? Now sometimes it happens that eavesdropping creates some kind of a insecure communication, because whatever the signal that is transmitted from one end to the another end through the air medium, So if it is the air medium, there are high chances of the third person can easily catch that signal and easily we can say access the data which is transmitted through that signal, right? So that we can say about the eavesdropping. Any malicious activities can occur, right? If there is a air is the medium when the data is transmitted through the air medium. So eavesdropping. The next is out of phase signal. So sometimes it happens that the signal can be moved out of phase if it is a microwave transmission. Then susceptible to the weather condition. Susceptible to the weather condition, then one thing that we can say that sometimes it happens that there is some environmental change, like if the atmosphere is cloudy, if the wind is blowing at a high speed, or we can say if the atmosphere we can say atmosphere is rainy, right? So at that times we can say it affects the signal, it distort the signals, right? So that we can consider as a disadvantage of the microwave transmission. Then bandwidth limited, we can say the allocated bandwidth between the antennas, the sending antennas and the receiving antenna is limited to some amount of a bandwidth. So that also we can we need to consider that this is the bandwidth, so how much signals we can transmit and how much distance should we consider if we have this amount of a bandwidth, right? So we have to consider this thing while transmitting the data. So these are the disadvantages of the microwave transmission. Okay, so any doubt up till now? Now I have to check frequently. Okay. So moving to the next, that is satellite microwave communication. So first thing, the first statement, satellite. So satellite, we all know the physical object that revolves around the earth, that we know that we call it as a satellite, right? So satellite communication here it is written that it is more reliable nowadays. Why it is more reliable? In what perspective? So we can say the communication can take place at any corner of the world, right? At any point we can communicate by using the satellite microwave, right? Now how does it work? Ye work kaise karega? So we can say the satellite accepts the signal that is transmitted from the earth station and it amplifies the signal. Now the amplified signal is retransmitted to the another earth station. So हम कुछ ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि suppose let's say that suppose this is some earth station, right? And there are many we can say the layers of the atmosphere, ionosphere, if you might have heard about stratosphere, troposphere, right? There are many layers of the atmosphere and there is one satellite which is over here, right? So we can say the satellite accepts the signal which is transmitted from the earth station. Now suppose let's assume that this is the earth station, right? Whatever the communication that takes place, that is between this and this, right? So suppose let's say that if any signal that is transmitted from the earth station and that will pass through the many layers of the atmosphere, right? But generally it passes the ionosphere and then it reaches to the satellite, and then it amplifies the signal and send back the signal to the another earth station which is located somewhere, right? And the signal will be received by the another earth station. So in this way the communication takes place using the satellite microwave. So what are the advantages that we can consider? So as we all know, the coverage area obviously will be more compared to the other, that is the terrestrial microwave. So the coverage area of the satellite microwave is more than the terrestrial microwave. It is easy to install, and we can say it is used in wide variety of applications such as weather forecasting, radio, TV signal broadcasting, mobile communication. These are the applications through which the communication can take place through the satellite, right? So we can say it's quite reliable. There are certain applications which are using the satellite microwave, right? The name is already mentioned. Then if I say the disadvantage, so disadvantage, we all know that for designing this satellite, it requires more time and it costs a lot, right? So we can say this point we can consider as a disadvantage of the satellite microwave communication, that for to design a satellite, it will take more time. So it's quite time consuming. Then next is the satellite is launched, but we need to monitor that satellite, right? We need to check that whether they are on the orbit, whether the signal transmitted from the earth station to the satellite, it's a right signal passed through the earth station and it is received by the same satellite only, right? So there are certain things that needs to be monitored and needs to be controlled on the regular basis of time, right? So for that we need a staff, right? So that also we can consider as a disadvantage. Then another is that after some time, time, that is 12 to 15 years, we need to plan for the another satellite, right? So for that, after some time, if some satellite is launched, then it will become a non-functional after some period of a time. So we need to plan accordingly that after some period, the satellite will be non-functional. So for that, we need to plan in advance that we need to launch this satellite so that our work will not get disturbed, right? So these are the advantages and the disadvantages of the satellite microwave communication. Okay, the next is infrared. So the infrared, if I say, it's a wireless technology that is used for the communication over the short ranges, right? The frequency range of this is 300 gigahertz to 400 gigahertz. And for the short range communication, such as a data transfer between the cell phones, TV remote operations, data transfer between the computer and the cell phone resides in the same closed area, in the same room, then and then only it will work, right? Because it does not penetrate the wall, right? जो हम देख सकते, if we are using the wireless mouse, right? So if it is near to the device, then it will easily work. So these are the things that we can say about the infrared communication. Characteristics: it supports the high bandwidth, so high data rate will be, the data rate will also be high. As I have said, the statement that if we say the transmission rate is higher, so obviously the bandwidth will be higher, right? So it supports the high bandwidth, so obviously the transmission rate will also be high. Second thing, as I said, that it does not penetrate the wall को penetrate नहीं करता है, right? So therefore the communication takes place within the room only, or within the nearby covered area only, right? So the infrared communication in one room cannot be interrupted by the other rooms. Then next is, it provides the better security with minimum interference, right? There will be we cannot say that there will be more interference if it is in the one room, right? Then infrared communication is unreliable outside the building, as the main point is that it does not penetrate the wall, right? So if it is outside the room, then we can say that it is unreliable. So we cannot use the infrared waves outside the room, right? We need to use, if we are using the infrared waves, we need to use in one covered area only, or in the one room. Okay, so the next topic is OSI reference model, that will cover in the next session, right? या फिर अभी start कर दे? ओके, लेट मी नो, यहां तक क्लियर है सब कुछ? एनी डाउट अप टिल नाउ? Okay, no problem. Okay, so we'll start in the next session. Okay, so let me just open the attendance. Just wait. Big data students can write their enrollment number in the chat box.
एक्सक्यूज मैम, मैम
Yes.
वो बिग डाटा 13 मुझको मैसेज किया कि उसके मोबाइल में चार्ज नहीं है। मैं उसका डाल देता हूँ मैम यहाँ पर।
Sorry, can you pardon?
मैम बिग डाटा 13
Big data
उसके
30.
मोबाइल में भी चार्ज नहीं है मैम उसके मोबाइल में, तो उसने मुझको मैसेज किया था कि बोल देना मैम को।
Okay, वो present था lecture में?
यस मैम प्रेजेंट था।
How I can verify?
मैम वो मतलब ऐसा 15 मिनट पहले शायद लीव क्यों किया उसने।
Okay, no problem. क्या नाम है उसका?
यासीन, मोहम्मद यासीन।
Okay, no problem.
ओके मैम।
Okay, AI students. Wait, I'm taking your attendance. AI को नहीं लिखना है, मैं उसकी अटेंडेंस ले रही हूँ. 1.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
2.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
3. 4. 5.
यस मैम।
6. 7. 8.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
10.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
12. 13.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
15.
Present, ma'am.
17.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
18. 19.
Present, ma'am.
20.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
21.
Present, ma'am.
22.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
23.
Present, ma'am.
24. 25. 26. 27.
यस मैम।
28.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
29.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
31.
Present, ma'am.
32. 33, 34,
Present, ma'am.
35, 36,
Present, ma'am.
37,
Present, ma'am.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39, 40, 43,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Yes, ma'am.
46, 47,
Present, ma'am.
48,
Present, ma'am.
49, 50,
Present, ma'am.
51,
Present.
50, 52,
Present, ma'am.
53,
Present, ma'am.
54, 55, 56,
Yes, ma'am.
58, 59, 60, 61, 62,
Ma'am, 58 present. Ma'am, 55 present.
okay, 62, 63, 64, 65, 60, yes,
64 present, ma'am.
65, yes, 67, 68,
Present, ma'am. 68. 68
69,
present.
Present, ma'am.
71,
71 present, ma'am.
73,
Yes, ma'am. 73.
D2, D1, 2,
Present, ma'am.
3, 4,
Present, ma'am.
5, 6.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Present. 6 present.
Ma'am,
Okay, check this
AI3 is
numbers. AI3 present. Okay. और कोई? Okay, check these numbers. Okay, thank you all of you. May leave the session.